It's 3 a.m. You're on call, alerts are firing, your heart sinks. You're new to this service. The original developers are long gone, and you're staring at a sea of 50 different dashboards, trying to figure out where to even begin. That feeling of drowning in data, desperately trying to connect the dots. This isn't a personal failure, it's a systems failure. The old way of monitoring are broken. For years, we've relied on 3 pillars: logs, metrics, and traces, and dashboards to tell us when things go wrong. But our systems have changed. We've moved from predictable monoliths to chaotic, distributed microservices. The code we ship today might be gone tomorrow. We are writing disposable code now. The problem is our dashboards were built for a world of known unknowns. Think about it. They can tell you if CPU is high, but they cannot tell you why a specific user on a specific device in a specific region is suddenly experiencing 5 seconds load times. That's an unknown unknown. And when the original developer leaves, they take all that tribal knowledge with them, leaving you to solve the mystery alone. Now, the system itself needs to be the source of truth. We need to stop staring at static pictures of the past and start having a real conversation with our live production data. What if you could just ask? So today I'm showing you a new approach that does exactly that. Honeycomb has just launched Canvas, an AI-guided workspace that might just be the solution that we need to solve this problem. Let's see it in action. Okay, so here we are inside Honeycomb. On the left is the new Canvas tab. Now this isn't another dashboard, it's a blank slate for our investigation. Let's go back to that 3 a.m. on-call scenario that we were talking about. I have a vague report of slowness in the front end. I don't know the service, I don't know the metrics, but I can describe the problem. So I'm just going to type what I know in plain English, no complex query language. I hit enter, and this is where the new paradigm begins. Instantly, Canvas starts exploring the data. It's not just showing me a metric, it's running a whole series of queries. It's looking at latency trends, checking for error patterns, and slicing the data by different routes. This is active investigation, not passive monitoring. And here are the results. In seconds, it's generated key findings. It tells me there's significant latency in the /cart/checkout route. It's found 500 errors and pinpointed the exact routes that are failing. It has surfaced the unknown unknown we were talking about. I didn't have to know where to look. The tool guided me there. But it's not just a one-off report. It's a conversation. The AI has identified the checkout flow as the problem. Let's drill down and ask some follow-up questions. And for all the developers who want to see the code, Canvas isn't a black box. You can see the exact query it used to get this information. If you want to take control, you can open this query directly in the main query builder. It's a tool that teaches you how to become an expert on your own system. This is how you build a self-documenting system that outlives any single developer. Now, the data itself, combined with a tool to explore it, becomes that source of truth, replacing that fragile tribal knowledge. So how do you get this level of insight? Well, I was amazed at how fast it was. Let's instrument a simple Python Flask app from scratch. Now, first I created a new environment in Honeycomb. Then Honeycomb gives me the exact instrumentation steps. I'm using Python, so I select that. It gives me the pip install commands for the open telemetry packages. Next, I'll set a few environment variables to tell my app where to send the data. Now, my API keys and the service name. Now, with those packages installed, OpenTelemetry automatically instruments my Flask app. I just have to run it. I'll open the site and click around a few times to generate some traffic, hitting the About page, the Contact page, and of course, the Slow page. Now, let's head back to Honeycomb. And there it is. Traces are already flowing in. We can see the different spans, giving us a rich, high cardinality view of every single request. Now let's go back to Canvas and have a conversation with our new data set. Now I will ask how many people visited our website. Canvas analyzes the data set, understands that people here means unique visitors, identified the HTTP client IP field, and builds a query to count them. It then provides a full summary. That's the future of observability that I am in love with. We went from zero instrumentation to having an AI assistant answering questions about our service in just a few minutes. Now, this isn't just about a cool AI feature, it's a fundamental shift in how we build and maintain reliable software. Now, in an era of disposable code and distributed systems and teams, your tools have to empower everyone to be a great debugger. That's the future with AI coding. Your system's data should be your best run playbook. If you're tired of drowning in dashboards and want to start asking real questions of your systems, you have to check this out. Now, Honeycomb has a generous free tier that you can try. With tools like this, you can connect your cloud data from AWS, Google, Azure to come into Honeycomb and visualize all of the things, but also use Canvas to ask all these questions that I just did for a very simple application. If you want to give this a try, I've put a link to Honeycomb's free tier down in the description. Thank you for watching, and do let me know in the comments how you think AI will change the way we debug our applications. Bye.